Saudi Arabia's holy cities are flooded again. Floods due to heavy rain occurred in Mecca and Jeddah on September 2nd. Thunderstorms with strong winds flooded the streets of holy cities. The movement of cars on the roads became very difficult, and some of them became completely impossible. The video footage shows children swimming right on the road. On some streets the water flowed so rapidly that motorists did not even risk going there. Stay safe, take care of yourself and your loved ones.